The exercises for Journey Through the Heart of Nature enhances our experience of a natural place and allows us to listen to the land and enter fully into the lives of its inhabitants. In this activity, have your child find a place outdoors they especially enjoy. If your child is too young to read and write, you can do this activity together. During your visit, about 25 minutes, take an explorer's guide, pencil, writing board, and an invitation card. Choose a name for your special place and write it on a card. Later, if you are playing with other friends, you will use this card to invite a friend to your area. After choosing your special place, briefly explain the activities in the guide, get comfortable, and answer the following questions from the Explorer's Guide. What are the first things you notice about your site? How do you feel being here? What do you hear? Can you hear the trees singing in the wind? See if you can pick out the song one tree is singing and describe it. Share something that makes you smile inside. Find your favorite view and then draw it. When you have completed the Explorer's Guide, invite a friend to your special spot. Sharing their special place is a highlight for the explorers and a marvelous way for people to connect with one another.